Do you know percentage topic plays a major role in any kind of aptitude exam, be it from math to your government exams to anything. So why waiting? Let's quickly learn. Hi, this is Harismita Rajkumar. Today we'll be seeing percentage. In particular, we'll be seeing salary related problems in percentage. We have already put videos on basic formulas, introduction videos of percentage, and today we'll be seeing salary related videos. Suppose if time permits, we can finish it in one video. Otherwise, it is part 1 and part 2. Then after that, we'll be going for votes. Okay, so vote related problems. So let's quickly get into the video. Yeah, so basically percentage salary. So salary, generally what you have to assume is, you have to assume whatever may be the salary, you have to assume it as 100 or 100 percentage. Okay, so you need not change from this. This is the only trick which I have to tell you. Otherwise, while solving sums, you will be able to get it. Like after I'll be solving few sums, right? So in that, each and every model you'll be able to practice and get the flow. Okay, so just remember 100, whatever may be, you have to start the salary with 100. Only then it will be easy. So let's get into the problems. Okay, first is a person's salary has increased from 7,000 to 12,000. What is the percentage of increase in salary? This is a basic question. It is not related to exact salary question, which is related to the previous papers question. But after that, you will be having typical salary questions. So here it is actually, this is just a warm-up question. So what is it? Increase in salary. How much increase in salary is there? So increase in salary is 12,000 minus 7,000. So increase in salary percentage they asked, right? So increase is 5,000. From 7,000, 5,000 has increased. So that percentage I have to get. Percentage of increase. Percentage of increase is nothing but increase by 7,000 into 100 percentage. Okay, because from the original cost, how much increase is that? That is the question. So when I cancel these, my final answer will be 71 3 by 7 percentage. So your right answer is option D. Okay, now let's get into the main question. Yeah, this is actually the main question. So Sarita spends 67 percentage of her salary. Okay, so what did I tell you? If they give you salary, what you should take? You should just keep your salary as 100 percentage or 100. Okay, rest is her savings. She saves rupees what? She saves rupees 2,940 per month. What is her salary? That is the question. Okay, now let us keep her salary as 100 percentage, right? So salary, I'm keeping her salary as 100 percentage. In that, she spends 65 percentage of her salary and saves remaining. So spends how much? 65 percentage. Then saves remaining means, what is saving? 100 minus 65 is your saving. So 100 minus 65 gives you 35 percentage is your saving. Now that saving amount is 2,940. What is a monthly salary? So 35 percentage. Okay, so let the salary be X. Okay, so 35 percentage of X is only 2,960. Sorry, 60 or 40? Yeah, 2,940, right? So 35 percentage of X is 2,940. Now let us find 35 by 100 into X is 2,940. So X will be 2,940 into 100 by 35. So your answer X is nothing but 8,400. So your 100 percentage is nothing but your X. So the salary is 8,000 rupees. 8,400 is your salary. Okay, the base salary is 8,400. So your answer is 8,400. I hope you understood it. Now let's go to the next question. Next question. Yeah, a man saves 20% of his salary. Okay. If the dearness of things is to increase his monthly expenses by 15%. Okay. So his monthly expenses here, he is increasing. See, the dearness of things, he is to increase his monthly expenses. So he's going to increase his monthly expenses by 15%. Okay. Now he is only able to save rupees 400 per month. So after increasing his expenses, he's only able to save 400 rupees per month. What is his monthly salary? So as usual, let the salary be rupees 100, right? So salary be rupees 100. As usual, I told you, if you're not knowing the salary, just keep it as 100. Okay. Now expenditure what is expenditure? So 20%. So he saves, let me say, he saves 20%. So which is rupees 20, because 100 in 100, what is 20%, which is 20 by 100 into 100. So that's how I got this rupees 20. I hope you understand. So if he saves from 100 rupees, if he saves 20, what is his expenditure? 100 minus 20, that is 80. Okay. So expenditure is nothing but 100 minus 20, which is 80. Rupees 80 he spends. Now, what are they telling? He increases the expenditure. Already he's spending some amount. So this amount he's spending as expenditure. From this amount, he increases by 50%. So present expenditure. So present expenditure is nothing but, so basically it is 8. He is increasing 15%. So 15% of 80 will be rupees 12. So the present is, already you are having 80. After increasing, your expenditure will be plus 12. So your total expenditure is 92 rupees. Now, so first you were spending what? First you were spending 80 rupees. Now you are spending 92 rupees after increase. So this is after increase. Now, how much is he saving? Suppose if he's spending 92 and we assumed that the salary is 100 and he's spending 92, what is his saving? So, saving is nothing but 100 minus 92, which is rupees 8 only he is saving. Okay. Now, what? So that amount, that rupees 8 is there, no? That they're calculating as 400. For basically, we have kept the salary as for rupees 100, our saving is rupees 8. So, but we don't know the original salary, right? So, for what amount our salary, our saving is rupees 400. Okay. So basically what are we doing is, we are just from this you have to find a relation from the top and bottom. For 100 rupees total salary, we are able to save 8. But we know that 8 is the imaginary thing which we have told, because we told whatever the salary is, you are just assume it as 100, you will be able to find. Okay. So, but the original saving is 400. So definitely you can find. So 8 into what gives you 400? 8 into 50 gives you 400. Likewise, I have to multiply by same. So it is 50 times greater. So the original salary is rupees 5,000. I hope you understood it. Okay. The original salary is rupees 5,000. So salary is rupees 5,000. I hope you understood it clearly. If you have any doubts, just go through the video again and again. This is simple trick. I already told you we have starting the salary with 100, but we are just assuming it. So our assumption for that 100, 8 rupees is saved. Okay. But you have to see the original salary. Original salary, they're telling 400 rupees is saved. So 8 for 100 means then 400 will be for what? That is the question. So if you find 8 into 50 gives you 400. It is just 50 times bigger. Same way for 100, 50 times bigger is 5,000. So he'll be able to save rupees 400 in if his salary is 5,000. If the same everything logics holds. So I hope you understood. We'll be definitely having a part 2 video of this so that you can practice more. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.